This video is about using the definition of complementary and supplementary angles to find a missing value and use angle addition to find missing values. So complementary angles are two angles whose sum add to 90 degrees, and supplements are two angles whose sum add to 180 degrees. So in our first one here, we have an angle of 37 degrees. We want to find the complement and the supplement. So to find the complement, we are going to take the angle we know and subtract from 90. So 90 minus 37 is going to get us 53 degrees. To get the supplement, we are going to do 180 minus 37. That's going to equal 143 degrees. In our next one, we have the angle of 59, so we can do the same thing. We can do 90 minus 59, 31 degrees. And then for our supplement, we can do 180 minus 59, and we get 121 degrees. Now the next two are different because we don't know the angle first. We know the supplement or the complement. So if we know the supplement, to get our angle, we want to do 180 minus the supplement to get our angle, which is going to then be 79 degrees. Then, once we know the angle, we subtract from 90 to get the complement. 90 minus 79 is going to be 11 degrees. So if we know the complement, we're going to take 90 minus the complement. We get our angle is 12 degrees. Then we can take the angle and subtract from 180. So 180 minus 12 is going to get us 168 degrees. So x is now representing any angle. So anytime we have an angle, we can subtract from 90 to get the complement. And when we need the supplement, we can subtract from 180. Use complements and supplements to solve the following problems. So in angle A is 5x plus 7, and angle B is 6x plus 17 are complementary angles. So that means together they add to 90. So we have 5x plus 7 plus 6x plus 17 equals 90. Then we can combine like terms. So we get 11x plus 24 equals 90. We can subtract 24 from both sides. 11x equals 66, so we divide, x is 6. Once we know x is 6, we want to find the angles. So angle A is going to equal 5 times 6 plus 7, which is 37 degrees. And angle B is going to equal 6 times 6 plus 17, which is going to be 53 degrees. In number 2, the ratio of two supplementary angles is 3 to 9. Find the measure of the angle. So that means the supplementary angles, there's something that when we reduce them to 3 to 9, they are supplementary angles. So we're going to put an x with each part of the ratio. So the angles right now are 3x and 9x. So we're going to have 3x plus 9x equal to 180. So that gets us 12x equals 180. When we divide by 12, x is 15. So to get our angles then, 3 times 15 is 45 degrees. And 9 times 15 is 135 degrees. In number 3, set up a system of equations and solve for x and y. So our first equation, these two angles are forming a straight line. They're supplementary, so they're set equal to 180. So 3x plus 24 plus 6y plus 51 equals 180. So we can move the 24 and the 51 to the other side. So we get 3x plus 6y equals 105. So in the second angle, these angles together are adding to 90, so 5y minus 22 plus 2x plus 29 equals 90. So we can add the 22 and subtract 29, so we get 2x plus 5y equals 83. When we go to write our equations in, we have 3x plus 6y equals 105, and we have 2x plus 5y equals 84. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by negative 3. So I get 6x plus 12y equals 210. I get negative 6x minus 15y equals negative 252. So we add straight down, the x's cancel, negative 3y equals negative 42. When we divide by negative 3, y is 14. Then we can substitute to get x. So 2x plus 5 times 14 equals 84. 2x plus 70 equals 84. We can subtract 70, so 2x equals 14. We divide, x is 7. The other idea then today is angle addition. Angle addition works the same way as segment addition. We are adding the angles to equal the whole angle. So for example, if this angle is 20 degrees and this angle is 50 degrees, this whole angle is 70 degrees. So in number 4, we are given that ABD is 22 degrees and that ABC is 80 degrees. So we want to find the missing angle. So we know that 22 plus x is equal to 80. We can subtract 22, so x is 58 degrees. In number 5, we're given a hint that AC is a line, which means that this all together is 180 degrees because it's forming a straight line. So we have 60 plus 80 plus x equals 180. So that gets us 140 plus x equals 180. So x is 40 degrees. In number 6, xwy is 2x plus 7, ywz is 5x plus 12, and this whole angle is 82 degrees. So we're going to add the two parts to equal the whole. So 2x plus 7 plus 5x plus 12 equals 82. When we combine like terms, 7x plus 19 equals 82. We can subtract 19 from both sides, so 7x equals 63. We divide, x is 9. In number 7, ABD is 3x minus 10, DBC is 7x plus 2, and ABC is 5x plus 2. So we add those, we get 3x minus 10 plus 7x plus 2 equals 5x plus 2. So as we combine like terms, we get 10x minus 8 equals 5x plus 2, 5x minus 8 equals 2, 5x equals 10, so x is 2. In number 8, our symbols right here that the arcs mean that they are congruent, so this is also 3x plus 15. All of these angles together are forming a straight line. So 3x plus 15 plus 7x plus 46 plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 180. So when we combine like terms, we get 13x plus 76 equals 180. We can subtract 76 from both sides, so 13x equals 104. When we divide by 13, we get x equals 8. In number 9, we need to draw a picture. So we have our angle here. It says H is on the interior of WTHS, so we have W and S on the outer, and T is our vertex. We know that WTH is 72 degrees. We know that WTS is 141, and we're looking for our other angle. So we can use segment or angle addition. So when we add the parts together, we have 72 plus x equals 141. We can subtract 72 from both sides, and we get 69 degrees. In 10 and 11, identify the relationship and then solve for x. So in number 10, there is a right angle, and remember that when two angles add to make a right angle, that they are complementary. So we can add them together. 9x minus 14 plus 5x minus 22 equals 90. So we get 14x minus 36 equals 90. We can add 36 to both sides. 14x equals 126. When we divide by 14, x is 9. In number 11, HWA is 32 plus x squared, and AWS is 48 minus 15x. They form a straight line, so they are going to be supplementary. So when we add them together, 32 plus x squared plus 48 minus 15x equals 180. So we get x squared minus 15 plus 80 equals 180. We can subtract 180 from both sides, so x squared minus 15x minus 100 equals 0. So when we factor, we get x minus 20 and x plus 5 equals 0. We switch our signs, x is 20, x is negative 5. If I put 20 in to both of these, I have 45 minus 15 times 20 is going to get us a negative number, so that's not going to count. If I put negative 5 in, I get positive angles for both, so x is just equal to 5.